love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's
Good morning mga katoto. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa Santo Tomas, Batangas, kung saan natin inihatid itong aking motorsiklo. And for today, I am going to our one of the project site. Located siya dito sa loob ng isang industrial park. So ayan, pila muna tayo dahil wala tayong ticket. So the maximum speed here is just 40 km per hour. And let's see kung tayo ba ay bibigyan ng libreng entrance or what. So ito na nga. Hello sir. Ayan. Ito po yung aking ID. At tingnan natin kung kukunin niya yung aking ID for entrance. So tanggalin natin. Hindi ko matanggal. Oops. Hindi pala kukunin yung ID. Magbabayad pala ako ng 20. So, eto. Okay. And thank you sir for this ticket. So, yun guys. May bayad pala yung entry dito. And, ayan. Okay, let's go. So, ayan. Issue lang natin yung wallet. Okay. Whoop!
Oh no!
Ha! Muntik na ako So don't do that guys. Napakadelikado, lalong-lalo na sa kagaya ko na hindi naman professional sa balancing ng motorsiklo. So yan, 40 km per hour lang. And ang advice sa atin ng guard ay kailangan natin mag full stop sa lahat ng intersections. So sundin natin yan guys para tayo ay hindi mahuli sa loob nitong industrial park. So sa loob nito guys, maraming dito, iba't ibang kumpanya, pabrika, warehouse. Ayan, at napakaganda dito sa loob dahil maaliwalas, presko, tahimik at malinis. So ayan, kung nakikita ninyo itong bundok sa aking harapan, yan po yata ang Mount Makiling. At medyo makalimlim sa paligid niya dahil siguro dahil sa hamog o hindi ko alam, baka nagbabadyang pag-ulan. So ayan, medyo malapit na tayo guys sa project site. And ayan, chill lang dahil first day natin ipasok itong motorsiklo dito sa loob ng industrial park na to. And ayan, malapit na tayo sa intersection kung saan kailangan natin mag full stop. And here we are. Stop. Okay. So we have to stop, look and listen. So kapag wala namang kasabay or kasalubong, we have to proceed guys, no. So sa mga gantong kailangan natin mag full stop, first come first serve. So kung sino unang tumigil, siya yung unang magpapatuloy. So ayan, try natin banking dito. Alright. Makakamiss bumangking. So ayan, malapit na tayo dito sa ating hinahawakang project. So sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin guys, isa pa akong mechanical engineer. And ang trabaho ko po ngayon ay construction engineer. So ayan, meron tayong mga safety protocol din dito for safety against COVID-19. So yan, may bago pumasok sa trabaho yung ibang empleyado, kailangan nilang pumasok doon for disinfections. So Ayan, nandito na tayo, and I think that's all, guys. And this is me, Tonton Motovlog, reminding you to live and ride responsibly. Alright, babush!